Yo, what's up guys? My name is Lola Devraj. I go by Choice Beats in the Beatbox community, and welcome to my channel. I wanted to make this channel for two reasons close to my heart: beatbox and finance. I think it's super important for the beatboxers out there and solo artists alike to know that they can achieve their goal, their passion, their ambition, their dream, all while being financially stress-free. I hope to share the experiences I've learned thus far and lessons I'll learn along the way right here on this channel. The obvious question though, who am I? I was born in New York, lived there a little, California a little, went to high school in India, and ended up right here where I am right now in Atlanta, Georgia. I went to college at Georgia Tech, have an engineering background, love math, love finance, little bit of a geek. Been beatboxing for 10 plus years, and myself along with the team, we host Beatbox Legends Championship, America's largest international beatbox battle event. I'm really excited to be posting and looking forward to sharing what knowledge I have to contribute towards a level up of the beatbox community and artists as a whole. One of the most significant issues I want to challenge on this channel is the notion that being a beatboxer or solo artist is not a financially viable option. That being said, I want to thank all of you for watching. Please do leave a like, subscribe for future content, and consider sharing with a friend, beatboxer, solo artist alike, to achieve long-term the growth of the community of financially free musicians. I'm really excited for this, so see you very soon. Let's do it. Peace.